Hello and welcome to Regrow Tech India. I'm your host, Durre Nayab, bringing to you yet another episode on the Java Beginners Interview Series. So, we are talking about tons and tons of patterns, and on this episode, I have brought to you yet another pattern. So, let's get started. This is the pattern that we have to and this is actually quite interesting. So first of all, we have a triangle that starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you have seen my previous video, we have discussed about what will happen to the I and the J loop. So for this one, we said, since it is decreasing order, the I will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the J will go from 1 till I. So 1 to 1, then I is 2, it will go 1 to 2 times, I is 3, the J will go from 1 to 3, I is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Right? So first let us go ahead and get that. And then we will talk about what do you mean by 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and so on. Okay. So let us go ahead and let us get to the eclipse so that we can get started. Okay, so this is the previous code that we have already done. And as you can see, for int I is equals to 1, I less than equals to n. So it is going from 1 till n, normal way. And by the way, n is 4, let me change that to 5. So it will go from 1 to 5 and j will go from 1 to I, right? And last time we printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is why we have a variable. So we have something of this sort. That is why we have a variable C that is supposed to be incrementing. Let me give a little bit space here so that you understand what I'm talking about. And yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? Now, we basically want that we want to print 1 0 1 0 1 0 like that. Let us understand what is the meaning of this, right? Let's come here and let me show you something else. So I have this pattern here that I'd like for you to see. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, come on. Wow, okay. This is embarrassing. So if you see them side by side, you will realize that now wherever there is 1, like odd numbers, there is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. If you see this box, you will see wherever there is an odd number, there is 1. Wherever there is even number, there is 0. So 1 odd, value is 1. 2 even, value is 0. 3 odd, value is 1. 4 even, value is 0, and so on. So basically, using that C variable that we had, now all we need to do is print if it is even, then 0. If it is odd, then 1. But if you think about it, C mod 2 will give us either 1 or 0. So for example, if C is 1, so 1 mod 2, the remainder will be 1. If it is 2, so 2 mod 2, remainder will be 0. If it is 3, then 3 mod 3, 2, remainder will be 1. 4 mod 2, remainder will be 0, and so on. So basically, we already have the C value, right? So instead of printing C, if we can just print mod 2 of that, we will get our answers, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So here we have C. We'll go here. We'll just say instead of C, print whatever is C mod 2. And be happy. Let's see. We got it. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Right? Now, in the previous episode, we have already discussed the dry run of the program where we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you have understood that, the only difference here that I did was instead of printing C, we are printing C mod 2. Why is that? Because the remainder of A number when divided by 2 can either be 1 or 0. If the number is odd, then the remainder would be 1. If the number is even, then the remainder would be 0. And that's the logic what we applied in order to get ones and zeros here. Now, if you haven't watched the previous video already, I would highly recommend you to watch that in order to understand this program a little better too. Other than that, if you have any more programs that you'd like us to take up, please put them on the comments so that we can take them up as soon as possible. Other than that, if you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe. Have a great day ahead.